Hi everyone, I would just want to show you some of the features of the Z Auto Tazer for the Ram in my 2015 Ram Outdoorsman. You can see I already have tire sensors completely turned off because they never work worth a darn on these Rams. This isn't married, this is an older version, but you can marry it and then you get a lot more Ram features. See, I got the DRLs turned on. The location is in the high beams there. And then you just cycle through and do some other, you can pick other locations where you want them, whether you want them in the fog lights or for the parking lights and so on. It's very cool. And then you can have the fog lights on while the high beams are on too. Is another cool feature you can do. There's that one. Fog's enabled. Fog drop. You can do tire size also, and 0 to 60. Turn on the cargo camera so it's on your 8.4-inch screen. And some of these older features are for like a charger, but if this was married and updated to the newer version, you would see a lot more features, such as the folding mirrors, stuff like that. Also, when you start the vehicle now, it says it's a Rebel. That's part of the splash screen features. So just showing some of the features of the Tazer. Power folding mirrors can be turned on and off when you turn the truck off. Also navigation in motion, entering on the radio screen. If I was moving, I could enter the screen here while I'm moving and enter an address. All right, have a good day.